Aloo Mash Dal Bonda.
Transfer 1 cup of soaked mash dal for 2 hours.
Add
Add
a grinder
2 to 3
jar.
teaspoons of water and add some coriander leaves. And add 2 to 3 green chilies. Make smooth paste. Smooth paste is done. Transfer mash dal paste in a bowl. Add salt as per taste. Add 2 pinches of baking soda and mix well. Take to boiled and mashed potatoes. Add in it 1 chopped onion. Add ½ cup of chopped mint and coriander leaves. Add salt as per taste, ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Add
turmeric
lemon
powder.
juice. Mix all ingredients nicely. Add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Give a nice mix. Make small balls. Potato balls are ready. Heat oil in a kadai. Dip potato balls in mash dal paste and fry. Fry on high flame until crisp and brown. Flip on other side and fry. Aloo Mash Dal Bondas are fried well. Remove them. Aloo Mash Dal Bondas are done. Tasty and crispy Aloo Mash Dal Bondas are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Explore and Cook. Thanks for watching.